2017 Kia Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, MP3 player, child safety locks, CD player, bucket seats, security system, trip computer, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.